So hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can set up Pycharm in your laptop. So let's start. First of all, you have to type Pycharm and go on the first link of the JetBrains. Here you will have to download .exe, and when you scroll down you will see some updates, some questions regarding it, and here you will see two download buttons. You have to click any of it and the download will start. So let's start and save it in volume F so that we have sufficient space for our local C. And download has started, and guys, we have set up Pycharm, so we have to create next. Now we have to browse and go to volume F, and here we will go to volume F, and now we will click next again. So we have to set up a desktop shortcut. We have to create a py associate, and you don't have to click any of these, and other we have to create a open folder. Now we have to do next, and you have to again click install, and let's wait for it. So guys, our Pycharm has been successfully installed and we have opened it, and we have to scroll down and pick the user agreement, and you have to don't send it data sharing. Then we have to allow this, and after that we do not import the skip import. We do not import any of it, and we will skip import. Now here you will see interface, and you have to click new, and you have to click a new script, and here your py file will be created. You need to delete the block code, and here we will create a print Python simple function in which we have to write print hello, and when we will run it, we will get output as hello. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.